So thank you, Ravi, for helping me out. I always wanted to do the show. I was looking forward if the makers approach me sometime, and this is the first time they approached me for the show, and I grabbed the opportunity.
Welcome to Bollywood Life. This is Sanskriti, your host, and I have with me Karanveer Mehra, who is all set to face his fears with Khatro Ke Khiladi 14. Welcome to Bollywood Life.
Thank you so much.
So, firstly, of course, we saw you going to the Gurudwara and taking blessings. तो वो blessings वाले preparations हो गए. What about the other things?
मेन तो वही होती हैं कि बस रब साथ रहे, भगवान हेल्प करता रहे हर चीज़ में। और फिज़िकली अगर बात की जाए तो काफ़ी देर से अपना डाइट प्लान और फिज़िकली फ़िट रहने की कोशिश की जा रही है। खाने पीने पे ध्यान, खाने और पीने दोनों पे ध्यान दिया जा रहा है। एंड्योरेंस पे काम है, स्टैमिना पे काम किया है, और मसल बिल्डिंग पे नहीं पर मसल होल्डिंग पे और स्ट्रेंथ पे ज़्यादा ध्यान दिया है थोड़ी दिन 2 महीने से।
And how has the excitement level been? Are you nervous or what it is?
It's a concoction of everything: nervousness, excitement, looking forward, and a little bit scared. It's a mixed feeling.
Also, like people have seen you recently in TV shows and now with reality. So, what is that one decision that one thing that made you take this decision?
I always wanted to do the show. I was looking forward if the makers approach me sometime, and this is the first time they approached me for the show, and I grabbed the opportunity.
Also, it is going to be Rohit Shetty, and people have said that it is a different experience with him because you get to learn a lot of life lessons.
Exactly, that's what I'm looking forward to because he's such an experienced person, a biggest action director, and the kind of journey he's had is something that we look forward to. Everybody sees, from how you, come from a humble background and you make so much out of just by your sheer talent and determination. So, spending time would be very enriching, and if I can share some experiences and if we can share some anecdotes off or on camera, it'll be very enriching for all of us as contestants.
Yes. Also, there have been 13 seasons. So, any of your favorites?
No, I haven't seen any of the season as such, but I've seen some few stunts and stuff like that. So not really, I've not really liked any. Matlab, I cannot pick up a season because I've not watched everything together.
So, was there any one person who motivated one person who said कि हाँ कर ले मतलब जिसके बारे में आप बात करते हो ना कि इसने बोल दिया बस अब मेरे को टेंशन नहीं है.
Ha, so I spoke to Ravi Dubey,
Yeah.
when it was offered that, will I be able to, and he was very
Yeah.
confident that, I should do this and I should take up Khatro. And so thank you, Ravi, for helping me out and, giving me all the advices, and his 2 cents really helped.
Yes. So, any fear that you really want to overcome by the end of the show?
uh, Major arachnophobia, which is fear of creepy crawly things and reptiles and stuff like that. I would want to overcome that, and having said that, I would also want to win the show. So ज़बरदस्ती अगर वो करके हारूं नहीं जीतने के लिए, so it's a mixed feeling. But हाँ, once I overcome that fear, I think वो एक अपने आप में जीत होगी. So I'm looking forward for that.
So, anything apart from creepy crawlies तो वो तो आएंगे ही but anything apart from that you ऐसा कोई stunt जो आप चाहते हो कि नहीं आए ही नहीं.
बचपन में क्लॉस्ट्रोफोबिया था एक तरह से. अभी मैंने अपनी कोई टेस्टिंग नहीं करी ऐसे डब्बे में घुस के. अभी भी सिंगल पर्सन लिफ्ट में जाता नहीं हूँ मैं. आई थिंक आवर जिम हैज़ वन सिंगल पर्सन लिफ्ट विच आई डोंट यूज़. सो कभी कहीं किसी क्लोज जगह पे तो आंखें बंद कर लेता हूँ. जब तक आंखें बंद है कुछ नहीं होता. आंखें खोलूँ और कुछ दिखे ना तो देयर कैन बी अ पैनिक अटैक. बट आई एम श्योर आई विल बी एबल टू ओवरकम दैट. वो इतना मेजर नहीं होना चाहिए. एटलीस्ट यहाँ बैठ के इसी रूम में तो बोल सकता हूँ मैं. वहाँ पता नहीं क्या होगा.
Yes. So, is there any mantra जो आप लेके चल रहे हो कि जो आपको एंड तक मोटिवेटेड रखेगा?
Yeah, just be yourself. Yeah, I would also suggest all the other contestants, be yourself and listen to your heart. There is something that comes from inside. There is a voice that comes and says, "हाँ ये yes, yeah, no." So I've just recently developed that art of, started enjoying my own company. So otherwise, generally, I needed people. I needed somebody. I needed people around to maybe validate myself. So now I've become calm with myself, and I just be myself. I found, at least I started finding the character that I am. So थोड़ा late होता है वो age में, especially with boys. So I'm happy that I've started that journey.
Okay, great, and I hope you do well.
Thank you so much.
So
I
thank
hope
you.
all the wishes from the audience that you're showing this interview to.
Yeah,
also,
of course.
Get to me.
Definitely. Thank you for joining.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you to our viewers. Stay tuned to Bollywood Life.